Hi, George Petersen here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of some of 2024's hottest music festivals. This summer season brings live music to the masses. Kevin Mitchell looks in on a selection of sound companies handling some of this year's popular festival events. We also check out Grupo Firme's La Última Peda Tour, where RDZ Productions takes Das Audio's new flagship Lara cardioid line array rig on a coast-to-coast 31-arena outing for this popular Mexican group. From a small research firm in Berlin to the Las Vegas sphere, HOLOPLOT technology has come a long way. We look at its past, present, and what could possibly come in the future, including addressing the issue of narrow sweet spots via a 3D audio beamforming solution to widen the listening area. We visit new house of worship installations, all with an eye towards improved audio and vocal intelligibility, where the word is all important. Brian Reisman chats with Tony Award-winning sound designer Spencer Cody about his immersive system used for this hit musical production. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on mini line arrays. Just like Goldilocks, sometimes compact intermediate speaker systems prove to be just right for many of your jobs. We present the latest models. And Steve Savanu checks out the new freeware update that takes the compact CQ mixers to the next step with pro features such as DCAs, mute groups, custom layers, and more. There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.